Hey everybody, we're here at 2022 West Palm Beach Boat Show off of Ramp D at our Apollo Yachts display. Here we're going to jump on a 2019 66 Sunseeker. We're on this 2019 66 Sunseeker. Unique design on the 66. They're full mast or aft. Your other staterooms are forward. Got a Williams tender on the back. Really elegant interior package on this vessel. It has the cherry wood upgrade. Tons and tons of natural light in the salon. It's just a ski boat. Power feature on these vessels. Cap stands. Staircase a little more ergonomical than the 65s. Let's jump inside. Dual opening salon sliding doors. Nice galley layout. Moving forward, get many comments on the light inside this vessel. Accentuates the color scheme very nicely. Ship's door on the side at your lower helm. Let's go to the forward staterooms. Twin berths to starboard. Mirrored guest stateroom here to port. Your VIP forward. In-suite head access. Your guest head. Let's jump down here to our full beam aft master. Very modern styling. As with the current vessels, you have your large windows, hull side windows, in-suite head. Teak decks on this vessel. These boats are equipped with a clamshell, bimini top tile style sunshade. This lounge area teak table. A forward multi-position sun pad. Let's go up the bridge. This is Anthony. Hey folks. This particular vessel was ordered without a hardtop. Owner wanted to be able to enter in Sag Harbor, so the bimini does fold down. Got a hinged masthead light on the aft to get under low clearance bridges. If desired, a custom hardtop can be created for this vessel. Estimated cost on that would be $160,000 installed. wet bar and a grill. Upper helm station, very comfortable, excellent sight lines. This boat is also equipped with a joystick. Easy maneuvering. Captain's comments on this vessel is extremely easy to handle. Thrusters are very, very powerful and do an excellent job of maneuvering the vessel in docking situations. Anyone attending the show, please swing by and say hello. We'd love to see you. Check out our website, www.apolloyachts.com, and give us a call at any time.